how to fix no service on SIM card in seconds. So if you want to fix no service on your SIM card, then what you need to do is first you need to go with the control center, and then you need to turn on the airplane mode on and off. So just turn on and then leave it on for about 30 seconds or for about 2 minutes. What does this is force your phone to disconnect from all the networks and then search for a fresh signal once you turn it back on. Now turn the airplane mode off and wait for a few seconds. In many cases, this alone can restore your service. But if that doesn't work, then don't worry. The second step is to restart the access point and enabling roaming. Now you need to go with your settings and then go with SIM cards and mobile network, and then scroll down, go with the advanced settings. You will have data roaming option. You can go and turn on the data roaming, or you can just simply tap on the SIM card that you use and go with access point names. Now you can go with reset, which will be in the bottom, and reset your access point names. Or you can just simply go back and then you will have preferred network type, and here also you will have 2G, 3G or 4G or maybe 5G. So you can go and select the highest preferred network type available on your device. Or if that still doesn't fix, then the third step is to refresh your network manually. Still in the SIM settings, you can scroll down and then choose network and turn off automatically select network option. Leave it off for about 10 seconds and your phone will begin manually searching for your networks. Now turn automatic section back on. This forces your device to refresh its network registration and often reconnects the signal. Or the step 4 is to reset your mobile Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. To do that, you need to go with your settings again, go with search. Under settings, you need to search for reset, and after searching for reset, you will find reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Just tap on reset settings, which will be in the bottom, and then enter your password and it will reset all of your settings. Once done, you can go back and restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.